So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view the financials of a stock or a company here on Google Finance. So once you open up Google Finance, what I want you to do is select a stock or a company of your choice. So for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and select Meta Platforms for this example. So once you're on the Meta page right here, I want you just to scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says financials. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and view a bunch of different financials. So you have the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow. So if you want to check out the income statement, you can go ahead and see the quarterly or the annually. If you want to go ahead and check out the balance sheet, same thing, annual, quarterly. If you want to go ahead and check out the cash flow, there's quarterly, there's annually. It's the exact same thing. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to view the financials of a stock here on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.